Hi everyone, so I wanted to come up with a very quick video how you can reuse any simple cardboard puzzles that you may have for phonics games in your center or with your child at home. So what you can do is you can take the individual pieces and just write the sight words. Now to fix the puzzle, the child takes a piece, reads the word once, and then tries and fixes it, right? So this way then the child can easily practice the sight words and also fix up any old puzzles that you may have. So this way it's really interesting, you have reused your previous material, and at the same time it's nice little work for the child to do. So this is a fun way of kind of, so that the child can just simply read want and then fixes the puzzle and just continues like that. So a very simple way of reusing material uh, and just having fun at the same time. Hope you like this tip. Stay tuned for more videos.